In this video, I will show you how to change the button color in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside, click on Online Store from the left-hand menu and then select Themes. On the Themes page, find your active theme and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor where you can edit your store's design. Inside the theme editor, you can directly click on the button you want to edit. For example, when you click on a button, a settings panel will open on the side. From there, you can change its background color, and the change will appear instantly in the preview. You can choose any color you want to match your branding. Alternatively, you can also go to Theme Settings in the top left corner and click on it. From the options, select Buttons, then Button Color section. Click on the color option and choose the new color you want for your buttons. You can select a preset color or use a custom hex code for exact branding. After selecting the color, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. Now your Shopify store buttons will be updated with the new color. That's how you can change button color in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.